Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you some tips on how to fix an old BT phone if you have it. You may have collected an old BT phone for your telephone system and find it doesn't work. There's no gyroscope basically. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So first we're going to test this phone cord here. So this came with my VTech phone. So it's quite a thin cord, as you can see, with just the two metal prongs going into the phone. So as you can see, that one's in, so we're going to test to see if it works. And as you can see, these cords with just the two prongs don't work with BT phones. Okay, so next we're going to try a different phone cord. We're going to try, and even just normal RJ11 cables don't work, only BT style phone connectors work, and they have to be at least like a lot of prongs. So this one's 4 prongs, so we're going to try it. And then I'm going to plug it into the phone line. Let's see if it works now. Oh, wrong button. As you can see, we have now got Xyltone. So the issue with this phone wasn't about the phone itself, it's what cords you plug it into, because it doesn't like certain phone cords. Now, as you can see, this one's working. We're going to try and get another phone working now. I just need to register it. Okay, so it's searching high and low for its. So this one is now working. So at least we've got this one working. So now this other one's working, we're going to try plugging the first phone cord, because bear in mind this one is a bit more basic, it doesn't have a speakerphone. So I'm just going to plug the first phone cord we tried in. So if this works, this means we might have a new test and answering machine, because so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the first phone line cord in with just the two prongs going in. Is it going to work? And no, I didn't get a Xyltone. So let's try the other one. So now let's try this. Oh wait, I haven't plugged the other end into the telephone. I'm just thinking, why am I not getting Xyltone? It's because I haven't plugged it in. Now I will. Now I can't do it as well as the other because that one has got a speakerphone, which this one does not. Okay, so let's try it. And yes, we do in fact have Xyltone, so yes, that is what the problem is with these BT phones. They are specific on what phone cords you can use to plug them in. So make sure you are plugging in a 4 prongs BT, not like a RJ11 2-end phone cord. You just need the one end that plugs into the phone and then the ends to look like this, And the end that plugs into the phone can't be like a 2-prong one, it has to be at least 4 prongs. So yeah, that's what the issue is with these BT Celophones. So yeah, thank you for watching.